It's been a while, but let's get started. And look what I have. Look what I have in my hand. Boom. Boom. Can you see it actually? Yeah. If you know, you know, you know. You don't even. If you don't know, it's fine. It's fine. I've been so busy lately that I almost wasn't going to film today, but I was like, commitment. I made a commitment. Every day. I'm posting every day. Until, I don't know, I'm just gonna post every day. That's it. Every day throughout this whole year is every day. So you guys are gonna have to like complain if I don't do anything. Like if I don't post that day, complain because I have to. I made a commitment. I made a commitment with you guys and with myself that this year, absolute upload on every single day. Literally busy doing assignments. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. But then again, I am learning something. So do your homework, guys, and do your assignments. So that, because it's important. Learning is important. Something like that. Anyways. I drank from the wrong side. I meant to turn it. Anyways, let's get started. We already prayed. We already played Groundhog Day. Let's start with Rise and the Swine. Rise and the Swine. What does that mean? Rise of the Swine. Rise and the Swine. We'll figure out what the hell that means. It has a cake on it for some reason. I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyways, cheers. Get one of these. I don't know. They're only quite limited, aren't they? I don't know, actually. The energy to keep going, my guys. Let's go. I'm literally hyper right now. I'm very sensitive to caffeine. But we need this in times like this. This is like, what time is it, actually? It's dead. My thing is dead. Oh, it's 6:50 here. What time is it in your guys' places? Your guys' places? In your place? Comment down below. What time is it now? While the video is playing and uploaded, so comment down below. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go. So hyper, man. The energy drink. Actually, there's no voiceover, right? It's just like a comic book. Oh, it ate dirt, but it wants cake. So they're going to steal cake from the chef. But that's not your enemy. The birds are, but they're bad pigs. And the chef is, wait, my cake. The other piglets were like, no, it is my cake. Scramble! Something like that. Take it out! Take it out! Is that the shoe chef and the other guy is like the chef? Like, how dare you, you naughty piglets! These are my cakes! Get out! Oh, that would be cool. I would steal that cake. That cake looks delicious. It looks divine with all the... Anyways, let's start. Ooh, what's that? That's new. That's metal. Oh my god. Oh my god. But what does that do? Is that more durable or something? I need to figure it out. I need to know. I'll put it there. Or maybe is it for the engine? But can you put it there? You can put the engine there. So I don't know what that's for. We don't have wheels. We have suctions. We have toilet plungers. Toilet plungers. Oops, didn't mean to do that. But then again, we can do that. And why not have two instead of one? Hey, this is what I meant to put you! Anyway, let's see if that works. Where would that go? The engine is supposed to like move it, correct? It should be less heavy, shouldn't it? The suction is for climbing! That makes so much more sense! We're good at this. That's 3 stars. Brilliant. Guys, we're geniuses. Geniuses! 3 stars in our first go. Elite. Elite word. next challenge. Allez, we go. We steal all the chef's products and cakes. An ad. I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. That was a quick ad. Never mind. Let's go. I don't know what this is. Where are we supposed to go? Are we supposed to go that way or that way? Huh? I wonder if the engine... Wait, what was the metal thing for then? I'm confused. This is just wood. Can we go back? Because I want to know what the metal was for. Huh? Wait, it's supposed to be upside down. We're supposed to do it upside down, if I'm correct. Because the section should be on the top. Yes. But that doesn't look cool. So, let me do something with that. Can I do that? If I do that, I don't know. Actually, let's just do it. Let's see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen. Put the engine there. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, there's a cake there. So are we supposed to go that way then? It can go both ways, it seems. Should we go this way first? Or, yeah, we've already made it this way, so we'll go this way first. Wow, we just get the star. So the other one's up there. Don't worry. I got you, oh my god. What does the plus that mean? Wait, I didn't mean to click that. I wasn't going to replay it. Go back. I didn't mean this. Okay, we'll go back to that after then. Damn them all. This is quite far. Wait, what the hell? Oh my god! That's so extreme. It's from just 2 boxes to all this. What the hell is all this? But it looks fun. So we'll go back to that one and get all the stars later. Don't worry guys, I will be back to that. I don't know, but no, we are 100%. I don't know what the big wheels are for. What's the difference between the big wheels and the small wheels? Put that there. I don't know what for. Maybe we can put it there, actually. What's this? Do we have to find out? Engines. What is it? Oh, there's a timer. Okay. It brakes. Oh, repels. Interesting. These are all like the equipment we can get. I see. Is this what we need to do on this one? Something. Oh, we can move! Oh, look at that! Nice. Oh, that's the cake we need. What is that? Explosion. We need an explosion. Yep, a timer. Okay. Within the timer. Okay. Because this is a long one. This is a very long one. So we're gonna have to go there. We're gonna have to escape that place. And we're gonna have to go all the way up. And we need a big engine. Ooh, there's one more there. There's cake there. There's cake everywhere. And the thingy's there. But what's down here? Nothing down there. Let's go. Yes. I don't know if that will save it. But we need the engines. Put him in the middle. Like, why use the wood? Like, clearly, this is meant to be. Maybe I'll put one there as well. So we can, like, both directions. I don't know what the spring does, but why not? Add those. Wait, should I? Oh, they're all unlocked. They're locked. If I put that on top there, yeah. Okay, go! Oh. Too much power. Okay, what should I do? Does it need like balance or something? Does it need another engine there? Does it need wheels on each side? bomb somewhere so we can explode ourselves? I think it's from here then. Gonna need this. Whatever this is. But I don't know if we're gonna make it on time. Or we're gonna make it there yet. We have to figure that out first. Okay, turn this one up. So these are... Oh! What do you think? I don't know why I put this one. Who knows? We might need it. Disaster, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, that's too much. Get rid of it. Get rid of that. Okay, brakes. Get rid of that. We don't need that. Put that there. I don't know what for, but put that there. Make that work. Now go. 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 We need the wheels. We need all the wheels. So it's rotations. Let's do that. We'll do that. And the springs. Why do we need springs? There. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Yes. I'm such a genius. Okay, that's really good. I love that. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh, this is so good. I have a timer. Sure, we can make it. This is so good. I'm a genius. Making it all absolute art. Art. Has anybody built like that? Anybody ever built like that? No, my God. How do you go quicker? How do you go quicker? How do you go quicker than that? You explode or something? At least we got 1 star. We're sure of that. Let's try again. Just one more go. Okay, one more go. Oh, we'll be right back. We are back. We are back. We're back. But why is all the cake there? Hey, we have to collect all the cakes again. Oh, damn. Okay, this is good. This works very well. What if we put infrastructure? It's gonna be heavier, I think. But it will, unless it's like light iron, then it'll be fine. But maybe I have to elongate it, put that there, and put one more there, and put one more engine there. Do you think? Maybe that'll work, or it'll just split in half. Oof, I don't know. I'll put that there actually. Quickly! Go! See that hill? He does stop us. Absolutely legendary, you know? Let's go quicker. Please. 22 seconds. Come on. Please make it. Oh. Again. We missed. That's not fair. That's not fair. How do you do this? How do you do this? We're doing it. We're doing it until we die. I'll be back, and I'm sure of it. You know what? No, we're gonna do this together. We can do this together. You know what? Use it. Let me see. None of them make it go quicker. That bounces, but doesn't do much. Can you see the thing again? Yeah. Cannot crack. Okay, I see. allowed to use that one? Okay, we can't use these. I think it says we can't use these. Okay. Put that back. Put these instead. Get rid of that. Because they're just the same wheels, basically, because they don't do any, like, they don't have acceleration. Okay, go! Wait, did I put them there? Wait, where did I put them last time? And the woods are quite heavy, I think. Let's start. You're breaking! Come on! This is it's so far. It's so far. I'm not gonna get it. How do you get a boost? Nah, it has to be a 25 and 30. It was 15 before, if I remember correctly. I don't know why it's 25 now. Strange. I got 32 seconds, that's even longer. I got all the thingies, I got all the cakes and all. Quicker! How do I go quicker? I know this is the right thing, considering. I wonder if we can. What do you think? Will this do? No? Why not? We'll see. We need like a bigger engine. Or is it too heavy? Yeah. See what that is. No? Oh, okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Oh, see, it's us. Oh, why did it always go? Why did it make it so that I want to know? My design is fantastic, guys. Come on. Gotta give it credit. Gotta give it credit where it's due. It's slower. It's so much slower. It's so slow. It's the slowest it can ever be. Okay, so it's heavy. It has to be with that. It has to be with like how heavy it is, I think. One more.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're back. Okay. Everything is too heavy. It's too heavy. But the mountain machine is quite good. I can't change how many machines there are. That's glue. What is that? Double your engine power. 50. I only have 21. That sucks. What's that? I didn't need that. I didn't need that at all. But okay. Let's get rid of that. If it lasts or something. Okay. I have to do something. I'm allowed to use wheels. As many as I like. But I need wheel engine. Falls on this side, it won't go. This sucks. Because it needs all the power it can get. Okay. We'll see if that works. Oh, just one is enough, I think. Oh, wait. I'm sorry, guys. I wasted it. I didn't know. How was I supposed to know? Here you go. Go! Break if you want. Jeez. You know what? Use it again. Why not? Use it all. Use it all. Okay, let's go. Go! It stopped working. I really need an envelope outside. And I used all my glue up. I can't do anything anyways, so. What should, the best way is having it on the side. How do I make sure that the engine works? I'm clueless, guys. Go. Yeah, I think the best is having this. Oh, I don't care. What if I put this here and this here? Oh, back into it. Really that heavy? It's not good because it's not in the front. Nah, brother. Damn it, put that there. Go! Restart that. Restart that. Okay, now there we go. It's dragging. Put that there. See if that works. Then the force down. Yes, yes. I just need to let it start. Go. Why did you do that from the start? Go. Has to be big wheels. It has to be big wheels. Put that there. Put that there. Okay, go. I don't know how that did that. Oh, she's gonna make it normal. No! Oh, come on! That's not very fair. See if you can put that there. That was cool, that was cool, I can't believe that. Oh, please don't flip, please don't flip. Oh, okay, that's really good. That's super fast. Why didn't you know that before? That's really good. Slow down, wait, come back, come back, come back. You know that! That's not bad. We got to do that! We didn't get the other one, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I don't know if we can get it to 25 seconds. Comment down below on what you did to get 25 seconds, because I don't think that's even possible. You best 29 seconds. That's phenomenal. That's so good. What? How did I do that? Actually, you know what? Get rid of one engine. What would that do? Get rid of one engine. One more to go. One more go. Okay, one more go. Okay, we're back. Let's see what one engine can do. Will that go faster? I don't think so, because the 2 engine makes it go really fast. Do I really want to sacrifice one engine? I really don't. But for the sake of it, oh, why not? Okay. I think it needs gone, so better him go. Yeah. Go. Yeah, it's so slow. Not bad, not bad. Oh, yeah. Not at all, not at all. One more go, one more go. I need the engines. I need them. 29 seconds. I need to get rid of at least 10 more seconds so that I'm able to... Not even 10, I need more than that. And how do I do that? How do I boost? I probably need to unlock these or something. Because the springs ain't doing nothing. I probably need to unlock these. Yeah, so I don't think so, guys. Let's go back to what we know. And do this. There we go. It's really good that we have 2 wheels. Oh, I didn't do that last time. What? How did this time? Oh, it was this. I think it was that. That was there. No, it wasn't. Was it? I don't think so. Breaks easily. Now go, go, go. So, I think last one was just lucky because we didn't get last nice! Oh, we did our next last time. Although we did it for 30 seconds. Yeah. 25 seconds? I don't know when. I don't know. But if we did it for like, if we didn't miss that jump, we probably did it with 28 seconds. But we did miss it, and we missed the thing. But at least we got like a lot of like cakes and stuff. Anyways, I want to go back to the venue. I did this. Yeah, don't know what that was. Was it like a secret thing or something? I need to go back here and finish this. The start. The start of it all. Where was I? Wait a second. What? No. Go back.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're back in the menu. So I'm confused. Was the start? Was that just a trial? Because I thought it was different. What? Got 5 stars. Hey. Oh wait. Wait, what? What? So where was the other one? How did we get to the secret place? Strange. Strange. We did one. So what was that before? Very confused. I'll be back. Okay. This is the one that we were gonna do. So what the hell was that other place? Oh, what? Anyways, I want to L back, put you back, so we can go the other way. This, put that, and boom, and then boom. Did I go in the right direction? I feel like... So, let's go. So, we did it! We did it! Let's go! I hope you guys enjoyed this. We did it. Tell me in the comment below how you do to get 25 seconds on the other one. I don't know how you even get back to that place, but it's so strange. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this.